Office of the Principal Chief Commissioner of Income Tax North East Region NER Guwahati pra Interactive Outreach Program Aji July 29 Conference Hall of Deputy Commissioner Mukokchung de organize kushe kude NGOs, business community aro entrepreneurs can attend kushe. Gathering address kurigina Principal Chief Commissioner Income Tax NER title apan me pra kushi ke Income Tax Act 1961 Section 10 Clause 26 to Tribal North East India khan ge tax exemption thagile financially literate hobule bishi janibule laga ase pamne kushi ke aji laga program do bijon thali ase aro ahibole din dehi itu interactive program do kiman manu ge impact kurishi janibo. Deputy Commissioner Mukokchung Service Puchipra Income Tax laga officials khan ge welcome kre homoy tai laga appreciation department ge junashe eniga program district te ani animide tai kushi ki Nagaland de manu bishi income tax upor janai bishi komti ase idune mide aji laga program pa manu khan laga shuru kilishe aro benefits bi sab pabo koikina.
From this part of NER felt that no, we should not, they are our own people. We should try to sensitize the provision of the Income Tax Act. And we should also try to teach them, in case if they find such notices which is coming to them in their email or by post, at least we should tell them how to respond. Or in case if an order is passed, how to file an appeal. We have our own officer over here who is also an appellate authority. So, this is one of this outreach program, and we are so fortunate to come here to Mukokchung.
As the previous speaker before me has mentioned, we have been having the burden about our place because most of us belong to this region. At present, I think this is a very unique situation in the Income Tax Department NER, where many of the officers belong to the northeastern region from all the states. Manipur, Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura. So all of us here, so we feel that if we all don't do, then who will do for us? So we must reach out to as many people as we can, because other people will come on posting. We cannot blame them also. They come from very far off. They have their families left behind. They are busy with the other things, taking care of their families, etc. So nobody can take out so much of time to travel to such areas also and to speak to you all. And because we know the situation in which we all have grown up ourselves in these areas, we all know the difficult terrain, we know how bad connectivity is there. People sitting in Delhi, Mumbai cannot understand how we are living. So with this background that we have, the knowledge that we have about the place, we felt that we should, even if it is a small place, if we can talk to 50 people, 100 people, if one of you go back and educate 10 people, then also the message will spread. So under this theme of NER Converses, we go out, we try to explain what the department is doing.
I am very privileged, in fact, and indeed very grateful to the Income Tax Department, led by our Principal Chief Commissioner and all our officers for coming to our district. In fact, and indeed, this is the first time having an interactive session, reaching out to our people in order to teach us, in order to inform us about the financial literacy in connection with income tax. I would like to encourage all of us who are present here today to please pay attention and be more interactive, because they have vast knowledge. And it will be their expertise, it will be their knowledge which we will require for us in the years and in the days to come. So, thank you once again. Thank you for this opportunity I extend for the very best for the entire interactive session. Let it be a fruitful one. Thank you once again.
you have to pay a tax on it. But there are various slabs of income. We have a progressive system of taxation where the more you earn, the percentage of taxes you have to pay is more. Now, we tribals are exempted from payment of income tax by a special section. It's called Section 1026. Are you aware? Anybody aware what Section 1026? 1026 deals with the tribal areas in the northeast. In fact, about 1/3 of the population of the northeast, consisting of tribals, are exempted from income tax. And what are the key features of 1026? Now, in order for you to be eligible for tax exemption, you have to be a scheduled tribe. Scheduled tribe is defined in the Constitution. Secondly, you should be residing in the 6 scheduled areas of the Northeast and also in the tribal states of Nagaland, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh. So all these tribal states you are exempted. Now, like in Assam, parts of Assam are exempted because they come under the Bodoland Territorial Council, Karbi Anglong District Council. These areas are exempted. And what is exempted? Income, the source is which is from this tribal area that is exempted. So the source is important. The source should arise at a kuru from the tribal areas. And also dividend income and income of securities. So if you have a dividend income and share in securities, that is also exempted.
So 194C is applicable. Now, is it mandatory to have a written contract to attract this provision? No, it is not mandatory to have even if it is a verbal one, TDS is required to be deducted. Now, the next common payment is section 194I, which relates to payment of rent. Why we are discussing this is because amongst you, many of them, you might have given your property on rent. Okay, and particularly if you give your property on rent, let's just say to central government organizations or something like that. So many times, so that is why I discussed this. So the deductee will be the resident. The rent, again, the TDS rate is different for the nature of rent. For instance, for renting of plant and machinery equipment, the rate is 2%. For renting of land and building furniture and fixtures, it is 10%. And again, in case of a no pan or invalid pan, you have to pay a higher rate of 20%. The threshold limit is 2,40,000. So if in a financial year your rental income is less than 2,40,000, 194I is not applicable. However, if it exceeds 2,40,000, then in this case TDS will have to be deducted. At least depending on if it is a renting of land or building at the rate of 10% and so on.